Morago ga kgwedi ba le kwa ntlwana le fitshwaneng jaanong boraro jono bo gololesegile nakwana fela.
The matter against the three of you is now being postponed until the 30th of March, 30 March. For further investigation. You are in custody at this stage. Your bail is set in the amount of 10,000 rand each.
Balatofadiwa bano ba tlhalositse fa ba ka se nne kotsi kwa setšhabeng mme bile ba ka se ngwege. Kgotlhatshekelo e ne ya utlwa go sale gale gore Sebati o duetse mongwe wa balatofadiwa R100,000 tsa diranta go tswa kwa mading a batsadi ba gagwe. Go begwa gape fa tlhalositse gore lebaka la gore a bolae ba lelapa la gagwe ke gore o ne a gatelelwa mme bile a iletswa go ya kwa batlang. Ragwe le mmagwe kgaitsedi e mogolo le nnakagwe botlhe ba bolailwe setlhogo ka Sedimonthole mo ngwageng wa 2016.
I don't know about the other family, the maternal family. What are they going to do about it? But from my side, no pay. I mean, no payment of pay. From day one in 2015 when this thing happened, and she pretended all along as being the victim, and only came out now. Personally, I'm not prepared even to speak to her.
It's going to be tough for me to take her and go and stay with her at my place. Hence, my wife, I don't think also she will be able to accommodate that. I really don't know. But we will talk about it as time goes on.
The fact that the bank statement proved that indeed 100,000 was deposited from Sebati's account to one of the co-accused, who then was supposed to deposit 50,000 rand to the other accused after the deed or the killing was done. Also, we have fingerprint evidence of the other accused, which was found in the kumbi.
Sebati o fitlhetswe a le mo maemong a tsepameng go ka tsenela tsheko morago ga gore go dirwe ditlhatlhobo tsa tlhaloganyo. Kgetsi sekegile go fitla ka kgwedi ya Mopitlwe go tsweletsa dipatlisiso. Molema one motho wa SABC News, Brits.